Hey, you don't know Spanish?
Oh wait, you don't know Spanish?
Whitey, say hi.
Dad's not gonna recommend it anymore.
Say hi. Taylor, look over there.
Ria.
If you want to do a lightning thing, you gotta pay
Why do you have to pay?
because it's a high demand ride.
Yeah. I've never been on it.
It's so
The lines
much.
are too long.
It's so much fun.
I'm willing to pay.
It's so much fun.
I'm so excited.
And you rate.
Oh my gosh.
I want to ride the Incredicoaster right now.
Me too.
Wow. Wow.
Hi there! I'm so happy to see you! Happy holidays!
Via, you wave. Wave. Wave.
How you doing?
Come on.
Things good? Good. Good for you too. Oh, looks like I've gotta go. Bye!
Wait.
Except his eyebrows.
Wait.
Cinderella too.
Where?
On the other side. Her dress is so pretty.
Why does he only leave at that time?
Sergeant, better watch out. Santa Claus is coming to town. Make sure the cookies are out in position.
Plastic soldier.
I don't know. They just yell.
We're preparing for next Christmas. Stay on that night shift. I know you will.
Kiss mistletoe.